Hi guys, you've got a brand new 2024 plate Ford Ranger Raptor. So this is one hell of a vehicle. Couple of upgrades doing on this, dash camera front and rear, but most importantly with this, we're doing a soundproofing upgrade. So this has actually got the B&O audio system in there, but obviously manufacturers do a very poor job of soundproofing a vehicle. And this, we're actually going to get quite good gains with reducing road noise, making the stereo system louder, but also reducing rattles. We'll sort of talk you through as we're doing the job. Okay, so we're just going to come to the doors. So we're just going to tap on these. There's obviously not been soundproofed. And you can sort of hear how tinny these are as a door. And the same on the rear. And that kind of tinniness obviously allows noise to transfer into the vehicle, and also is not a great place for the speakers. But we'll, again, I'll show you this as we're ongoing with it. Okay, so those that's not aware of the soundproofing or the skin soundproofing, this is the actual sheet. It's a 3mm sheet. They're in a sort of, as you can see there, just over a foot by a foot size, and we apply these to the metalwork of the vehicle to basically deaden it, or to heavily deaden it. There are various different soundproofers on the market, and this silver foil that's on there is just to stop the actual soundproofing getting on the car. But I'll show you how it works on the vehicle, tap around the vehicle, because I think you'll be really impressed with what it's done to the doors. Right, so this is inside the vehicle. As you can see, a really high spec vehicle. There's the Bang & Olufsen logo there. There's the funky lights, and obviously the Ford Performance on the tablet type dash. But it's a very high spec vehicle inside, and we just needed to give it the source treatment with the soundproofing to make it quieter and obviously less noisy on the road. Right, so we're now actually cleaning inside the door, and what we're going to do is we're going to prepare this inside surface, or technically the outer door skin here, which doesn't have any soundproofing on, and we're also going to prepare the inner door skin there. So we'll show you when we're on with it. Okay, so a brief sort of video of the soundproofing. So we've prepared this panel now, so if I tap on this, you can hear that's much more dead. Now this has not been done yet, and you can hear how tinny that is. So we've heavily soundproofed inside the doors here. We've heavily soundproofed the back doors, so you can hear there, they're a lot better. And then we've also soundproofed the floor and behind the bulkhead there. And even when you close the door, if you listen, it makes far more of a slam on both the doors and just sounds so much better. We've added skins wave diffusers in the doors. We've heavily soundproofed the floor and the bulkhead, and it's made a massive difference. So guys, for further information on upgrading the soundproofing in your vehicle, give myself Paul a call, or Lee in the store, or email sales@sourcesounds.com. Our telephone number is 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.